Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can clean the filter in the iRobot Roomba 105 applies. So, in the first step we have to remove the main container. So it's located here below the charging ports. So just release two green elements and remove the container. Then lift the top cover. And as you can see, there we have our filter. If you want to clean it, just push from the left side, lift it up, and after that you can use the cleaning tool to clean the filter. Remember to do not use the water here, so just the dry brush to clean the filter manually. Basically, that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.